give y'all the history on this coal mines. This mine was started in 1890, and they mined coal on their hands and knees to about 1910. I want you to keep in mind the coal we've been loading is about 32, 34 inches. Guys, on this side here, just as soon as I get around the curve, you'll be able to see it real good, okay? This is the soil seam of coal. If we mined it today, we'd mine it to make coke for the steel making process. That's where we take a certain grade of coal, put it in the oven and bake it, get all the impurities out. Comes out, mind me, like a kernel of popcorn after it's popped, only it's gray in color and has a sulfur smell. In 1960, the noise y'all hear is a group of heaven.
Thank you.
Okay? In 1960, the city of Beckley bought this property to make a park. About where we loaded up out there was a big pond of water. They drained the water and found this coal mine opening. It's about 32 inches high, about 8 foot wide. So they brought modern day equipment in, made it wider and taller for you to do tours. Right now, you all have got about 65 foot of rock over your head. And it's held up with wood and roof bolts. As we get further in the mines, I'm going to show y'all how we put these roof bolts up. Since we're at the lowest point in our mines, all our water runs down here and we pump it outside. In actual coal mines, we probably pump it back inside to use on what they mine coal with today called a continuous flame. That's a big machine with drums on it that rotate. We use the water to cool motors and also to keep dust down so we won't get black lung. Black lung, guys, is where we suck up all this dust over the years. Our lungs become hard and we got to carry a tank of oxygen with us to be able to breathe. Now, I've got 28 and a half years. They come out on have none, so thank God. Okay? Guys, if we can go down this tunnel right here, we can go for about 5 miles. Once I go around the corner there, it goes down to about 34 inches, about 1 foot of water. We don't know what condition the roof is or how much oxygen we have, so we got it dangered off. So all my little buddies on the ride today are going to promise me if they ever see a hole inside the mountain, they will not go in it because you don't know how much oxygen's in there, or the roof might fall on you, and nobody won't know where you are. So all my